Well, as you can see, the video originally was supposed to be a freaking... Oh, I messed it up! Well, like I was saying, the video was originally supposed to be showing the whole process of me bleaching my hair, but we fucked it up, so. Now, the video is going to be me showing the process I did to repair my hair. And the first product that I use is this deep treatment mask from Shea Moisture. And it says you can leave it in for 5 minutes or 30 minutes for deep penetration. I used the whole 30 minutes because like my hair is like so messed up and I bleached about 10 times. So I needed as much, moisture as I could possibly get. And it says you were supposed to use like a wide tooth comb, but I don't have one. So I'm going to be using like a pick throughout the video to evenly put it in my hair. So this is after washing and drying it out of my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the vitamin E oil because like I said, my hair is I put some moisture, child. And so I'm just gonna be applying it in my scalp and make sure I get it all on my scalp. And also, if I didn't mention, my hair, the way that it looks now is after getting a haircut, getting it trimmed down, and re-dyeing it so it can be an even color. Yeah, I'm just making sure it's all in the scalp now, and as you can see, like my hair has already started going back a little bit. Now I'm going to be putting the 100% natural African shea butter in my hair, and I'm going to warm it up because right now it's a solid right now and I want to get it in a liquid consistency so I can put it in my hair easier. So the oil is in my hand. I literally put so much of it in my hair because if you've ever bleached your hair, you know it literally makes your hair feel like hay and brittle, and I'm just trying to regain that moisture back into my hair as much as possible. Now I'm about to get ready for bed. As you can see, I put this bonnet on. It's broke. Don't judge me. Mind your business. And so I'm just going to go to bed and I'm going to finish the video in the morning. So as you can see, I just woke up. My face is still puffy. And I left the shea butter in overnight, and now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. My hair is still very damp, it's still moisturized. Now I'm about to shower and co-wash my hair. And what a co-wash is just essentially washing your hair with conditioner to replace shampoo, which can be drying at times. And I'm using the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil co-wash, and I'm just gonna evenly pick through it and make sure I get all of that shea butter from the night out of my hair, and then I'm gonna get ready to condition it. And the conditioner I use is the Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner, and it says you can leave it in for 3 minutes, but I left it in for the 15 because like I said, I need this moisture. I'm gonna keep emphasizing moisture, moisture, moisture because my hair was dry. And this is after showering and washing it all out, and I'm pat drying it as you see, not dragging it across my scalp because that could cause more damage and stripping of the hair. And now I'm about to do my everyday styling routine, and I'm going to use this Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioner, and I am also going to use this Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and mix those both together. Basically just make sure you guys can see because my camera wasn't really focusing. And now I'm about to put it all on my hair, and I'm just getting it all on my scalp, making sure that I'm not missing any parts. I add a little extra water, like I add more water to my hair when I'm doing this. You don't have to do this, but I think the wetter the hair, like I have the type of hair that when I wet it, I guess it like curls more. And so I just add more water because after this process I'm going to sponge my hair. And now I'm sponging it so it can actually look like I love myself. And this is pretty much the finished product. But I'm gonna also like show you guys what it looks like outside in a few. I'm just looking at how it looks like in the mirror and like different angles, because right now it looks like an orangish color from my understanding, or like a blondish. I don't know what color it's trying to do in all honesty, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like outside. So this is what it looks like outside. I personally like it. I feel like it's definitely in a much healthier state than it was at first, but I've just been doing this routine for like what, 2 weeks now, and I'm already seeing a change. Comment down below if you guys try it and you get results. But yeah, I mean, other than that, that's pretty much the video. The rest of this video is just me acting a fool. I just was just happy to see how it looks because I actually didn't like it at first. But I really appreciate you guys. Stay tuned. There's definitely more content to come. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.